Unlocking the meaning of fatigued, a comprehensive guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to unravel the layers of a commonly used word, fatigued. Whether you're a language learner, a curious word enthusiast, or just looking to expand your vocabulary, you're in the right place. Fatigued is an adjective that describes a state of being extremely tired, exhausted, or worn out. It can refer to physical, mental, or emotional tiredness. When someone says they are fatigued, it means they have depleted their energy reserves and need rest to recover. Physical fatigue. This happens when the muscles are overworked. Examples include after a long run or an intense workout. Mental fatigue. This is when the mind is exhausted, perhaps after solving complex problems or studying for hours. Emotional fatigue. This occurs when emotional stress and feelings become overwhelming. To better understand how to use fatigued, let's look at some examples. 1. After the marathon, Jessica was so fatigued that she could barely stand. 2. The doctor advised the patient to take a break because he seemed mentally fatigued. 3. Working 12-hour shifts for a week left the nurses feeling emotionally fatigued. In each example, fatigued is used to express an extreme level of tiredness, whether it be physical, mental, or emotional. Understanding synonyms and antonyms can help to deepen your understanding of fatigued. Synonyms: exhausted, worn out, drained, weary, tired. Antonyms: energized, refreshed, rejuvenated, invigorated. It's also important to avoid common mistakes when using fatigued. Don't confuse with fatigue. Fatigued is an adjective. Fatigue is a noun. For example, I am fatigued versus I have fatigue. Be mindful of the context. Use fatigued when describing a state of extreme tiredness, not just a mild or temporary feeling of tiredness. Thank you so much for joining us today to explore the word fatigued. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning, usage, and nuances. Remember, understanding the context and the different aspects of tiredness it can refer to will help you use fatigued accurately and effectively. Keep practicing, keep learning, and stay curious about the wonderful world of English. Until next time, happy learning!